I know what you're thinking. Where's Pranav? What happened to him? Is he okay? Did I kidnap him? You wouldn't say that, but did I actually kidnap him? Because his Blitz news was better than mine and mine was trash, and I couldn't handle that fact. Of course not. I should stop doing these intros. Let's start with the Blitz news. Microsoft is finally ditching the Internet Explorer. Thank God they responded. Microsoft stated this week that they're looking to rebrand its new browser, currently known as Project Spartan. It will be released in the summer. I think what Microsoft should do is they should And speaking of Microsoft, Windows just released a new version of Windows, which nobody was expecting. I'm using it right now and I love it. I absolutely love it. Is it safe to say that I like Windows 11 more than a 10? To be fair to all Windows 11 haters, I hated Windows 11 in the beginning. I hated Windows 11 in the beginning. But some months ago, I got hit by a car and my brain started working again and my opinion changed and I really like it now. It's so sad that I'm still stupid even after my brain started working again. I guess that's the thing I can never change. Talking about the event, it was absolutely amazing. And this might be an unpopular opinion, but I think it was just below Apple's events. And the introduction to Windows 11 video was one of the best product videos I've ever watched. It was so smooth. Only if the software was as smooth as the video. But there were some problems which I wanted to talk about and which Microsoft can improve, and I want them to improve. Now, I'm not comparing them to Apple, but they should at least have some sort of excitement. It's a new, refined, and such an amazing update to their operating system, but they're acting like it's the end of the world. And what is it that you want the most when you're releasing a new product or something and you want people to move to it? First of all, they should like it. And secondly, as a company, you would want the product launch to go as smooth as possible and as good as possible so that people will buy it and you'll get the money even if the end product is not good. The Microsoft side couldn't load the event in the first place and it was a terrible experience there. And on YouTube, I couldn't find the Microsoft event surprisingly. The ones I found though were streaming the Microsoft event, which was already lagging. So it wasn't a great experience overall. So I really hope Microsoft improves it. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. And the comments below the event were golden. You can still watch it on Microsoft's YouTube channel, but I would suggest you not to. Watch Linus Sir's and MKBHD Sir's video on Windows 11. There are 5 videos, but don't worry, they're awesome. The links are in the description. And if you want to know how to download Windows 11 on your laptop or PC, watch Tej's video. It's in the description as well. It's the simplest and easiest tutorial ever. And it would seriously mean the world to me if you could subscribe to his channel. He's one of the best creators ever. Apple is making employees wear police-grade body cams in response to leaks. This is an exclusive from our favorite John Prosser. So this article says, as a response to an ever-expanding Apple leak culture and staying true to their brand, the company has taken this new dramatic step to ensure that its hardware trade secrets stay out of the hands of leakers like our very own John Prosser. John has made a video regarding this too. First of all, how did this get leaked? Apple? Smart fella more like fart smella? And again, speaking of Apple, WWDC was there on June 7th. Guys, I know I'm late. Please don't leave the video. I need views. Please. I have 2 things to say about WWDC. WWDC more like disappointment. Didn't expect that, did you? Everything launched in WWDC was absolutely amazing. But we were focusing on what didn't launch, so we were disappointed with it. If you still haven't watched the recap, you can watch Max's recap, Charlie's recap, Tate's recap, Grant's recap, Sarah's recap, and FCT's recap. Also, if you need any new info on iOS updates, macOS Monterey updates, watchOS updates, and many more, you should definitely subscribe to Tech Hype. Jay is one of the most hardworking, awesome, and one of the best people ever. Now it's time for Tej Facts. Get it? Tej is equal to speed in Hindi, and Tej is equal to Blitz is equal to speed as well. So Tej is equal to Blitz is equal to no? Fine. Did you know that over 6,000 new computer viruses are created and released every month? Yeah, that's insane. But do you know what else is insane? You're not subscribed to this channel. Hit subscribe to not miss any upcoming Blitz news. Also, hit subscribe to know if Pranav is held hostage or not. Whoa, you thought I was going to talk about our site in that segue? Nah, we're full of surprises. Just like our site KineTech. Bet you didn't see that coming. And this time, I don't even have anything to say about our site because we've taken a break and I hope we make a comeback this Christmas. Also, don't worry, we're not dead. Except me, I'm dead on the inside. Qualcomm thinks they can make a better laptop chip than Apple's M1. Qualcomm, I hope you're seeing a therapist. The video's over. I'm sorry? You need the latest news. Okay, live images of Huawei P50 Pro just leaked. So that's your daily dose of cringe. Look at graph. I always feel like I'm copying outros. Anyway, just subscribe. Okay, bye. Please take care.